Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Roblox error code 277. So the first thing that you have to verify, or you have to check if you have any extensions or any ad blocker extensions, and this can really interfere with your connection. From here you can check all your extensions. If you tap, I'm using Brave browser, I go here, and once you've done that, you'll get directed to this website, this page, and here you can enable or disable your extensions. As you can see, I have ad blocker here. I can enable, disable, so or even remove. Another thing that you have to do is press on your keyboard Windows logo key plus S, and you'll open the search bar, and here please write allow an app through Windows Firewall, and here click on change settings, and now look for Roblox, and here it's very important to enable private and public, and click on OK. And now also please change your internet connection. For instance, from your Android device or iPhone, you can enable hotspot and connect your laptop, your PC through that hotspot connection. That's one way, or another way is just use a VPN. And try all of these methods and let me know in the comment section if this video helped you out. If this video didn't help you, I'll look for better ways to fix this problem. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.